Myself CH Kamesh Rao, and I am pursuing ME from this college only, Shankara 1. So I am explaining the topic about basic ICs and processors. So these are some of the simple ICs, and these are some of the microcontroller board, and that is the processor. So first we are starting from the simple ICs. This is the 555 timer IC. So we are using this 555 timer IC as an application of generating different types of frequencies, variable frequencies. So as we connect the source, so source, this you can see that here, and you can also hear that the sound of the frequency, and we can we can change the frequency of this light, this by using LDRs. And if you want to fix the frequency for a particular application, you can change the register or use the particular registers to have a frequency. And next one is that Arduino board. Here we are using the Arduino board as a microcontroller. Here you can see the Arduino board. This is the processor, and these are some of the input and output pins. And this is the Arduino shield, providing for the microcontroller to operate properly. So this is one of the demo application of Arduino board. We are using the microcontroller for processing as a processing unit, and we have used some of the sensors for sensing purpose, and some of the output as a display or as a servo motor as a output. So first of all, one of the application is that one of the sensor is the ultrasonic sensor. Ultrasonic sensor is used here for calculation of distance. So here we can see that we can change the distance by moving my hand. This is, first of all, it is 9 centimeter. My hand is 9 centimeter far away from the ultrasonic sensor, and this, when we increase the distance, we can see the changing of the values. And next thing is that LDR sensor. LDR sensor we are using for the sensing of a light purpose. Here we can see some of the value, that 400 value is showing in the display. When we put the hand over it, you can see the value is changing to 300. And similarly, it is using as a sensor, and we are giving the sensor output to the microcontroller as an input, and microcontroller processes it and gives the output as an intensity of light. So when we increase here, we can see that the intensity of light is going down and up. Here it is not clear, but you can see in the display that it is 39-40%, and then we put here, it becomes 30%. So and here another sensor is as a variable resistor. When we moving the resistor over it, we can see the output as a rotation of servo motor rotation. So this is the application of a simple Arduino board. And now the processor, that is the processor IC, that is a whole kit is called Raspberry Pi, and that you can see the bigger IC is of ARM11, and this microprocessor we are using here as a CPU purpose. Here the whole kit you can see is working like a PC, personal computer. So here you can see the keyboard for input, and projector as a output of monitor, as it is working as a monitor, and Raspberry Pi as a monitor. And we are using one of the application of camera. Here you can start the camera. Here the camera is running, so we can see the board. This is the one of the application of the board. Okay, thank you.